What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You know I like putting covers on my key fobs, and I think I may have found the most robust one ever. And I probably didn't even realize that when I was ordering it. I just thought it looked pretty good. And so what I got here is another key cover. Let me just quick show you what else comes in the box here. Is we have a little leather and a fob here. Looks like there's a screw down kind of rivet on there, and then a little round carabiner, so we get a little tag there. And we also have kind of more traditional PU, fake black leather, a little metal clasp there. So you always have a tag that you can hang on there. And then we have some little tiny screws, and they're not even like screws, they're just like little bolts, and it looks like they use kind of an Allen key. Oh no, Phillips head right there. They're almost like set screws on precision electronics, triggers, those kinds of things. And then we also have included a little tiny Phillips head screwdriver too. So that's pretty cool. That's because here is the cover, and what I was surprised about is that this thing doesn't just look good, which is probably why I bought it in the picture. Ooh, look at this. Here we have some additional screws with a little Loctite on them. We also have some little like felt spacers almost. But this key cover here is redonkulous. This is like a die-cast metal. It actually has a little bit of weight. It's not overly heavy. I'm assuming it's some sort of like alloy because it's not super heavy. But as you can see here, we have like almost a crackle-like finish. It's silver. It's beautiful. It really has like a nice gunmetal look. We have the hole there for the button. We don't have another hole here for the light. You know, if I were to hit this, you can see there's a little light there. But a big cutout there. We also have a cutout where looks like the little loop will be fully enclosed, the opening for the key, and then a whole big opening on the back here for you know, seeing the logo. But man, this is really big, and my assumption is it's open here because of weight issues. Now I will show you here, there's only one screw in there currently, so I'm just going to take that out. That's the only thing holding it together, but it looks like there's only two that you need to screw this down. That's kind of funny, because then I guess they give you extra screws as far as I can tell. If we look at it here, you can see a little tab up here that'll hold the top together, and that's it. So I'm just gonna quick throw this in here just like that. You can see how, again, oh, look at that. All right, so what we're doing is we're sacrificing the little loop on the key fob itself, and they're just gonna give you another one. So if I throw this on here, and I'm kind of guessing, look, so for the first of all, I've got it pressed together here, and you might not be able to hear that, but there's a little bit of play in the key. So what I'm guessing is that's why they give you these little felt spacers, is that you want to put those maybe up at the top and the bottom up here, just to give yourself a little cushion, so it kind of braces it in there. And that's also going to prevent them from, you know, trying to make this too tight of a fit and it won't fit. So I guess it's always going to be better when you don't have any, you know, forgiveness. Like if this were plastic or silicone, it could kind of stretch a little bit, but when it's rigid metal like this, you've got to err on the side of being a little too loose. Cut right here so that you can still get into the panic button. So you can see, look at all that. So I would use those. So anyway, I'm pretty impressed with this. Like I said, this is way more elaborate and exotic than I was kind of expecting. And you know, you should have easy access. Look at that. You know, the button here is a little more close to flush, but it's not quite flush. You can still get in there. But I think that's going to match my car very well, but man, it's just a, you know, massive piece of key fob covery. I could break glass with this, I bet. Pretty cool. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick it up too. Peter from Panda, out.